Just a quick update. Finished the handle. Welded some caps on the legs. They were hollow, and then I put holes in the bottom so the water will drain out. Otherwise, it'll fill up with stuff. And so, put some caps on. Drilled some holes for condensation if any water gets through my welds. Did something a little different here. I welded a washer, big washer, on the tank itself because I messed up. I didn't really know what I was doing at first. Well, still don't. But I made a real narrow, flat area. Of course, I got a big round washer, so I built it out with a big washer, welded it to the barrel, and then put a gasket I got it from the heating supply place, so it's for a boiler. So you can take that off and light it, or you can leave the coupling on and take the plug off the end. Love to get a piece of glass so I can see inside. That's the washer in the back that's welded to it. So that's nice and flat. That should seal good. I actually hooked the vacuum cleaner up to it on the pressure side and sprayed it with soapy water, and it didn't leak, so that should be good. So that's the cap. I'd like to put the glass in there. Top's all bolted down, siliconed. And that's about it. I put one coat of paint on. A friend of mine did. And I bought this paint. It's from Rust-Oleum. It's for high heat. I usually buy, like, if I'm doing something hot, I buy it in the spray can. But this seems pretty good. I have to put a few coats on, but I just wanted to stop it from rusting for now. What I'm going to use for the bottom of my filter. Okay, I'm going to rest it on top of the crosses. I can put my steel wool on top of that. And then I'll put another one on top of the steel wool, and then put sawdust on top of that.
And I remember, man, when there was no gas and we used to up there, you bend over and breathe real hard, or maybe 20 times. And then one of your buddies come up on behind and squeeze your chest real hard. Then you pass out and breathe it off. When you come around again, it felt like you'd been away a year, and you'd say, now how long did I out? It won't last, because this is only been a few seconds.
It's going to take a while, so you don't have to watch me do the whole thing. I'll show you when I'm done. Tucker wanted to say hi. Tucker! Tucker! Hey, Tuck! Come here. Come here.
By the time I was a younger man,
here, you want to be on YouTube?
Same goals, what I wanted to do was to get high. I'd wake up, my arms over blood.
Hey, hi, Tuck.
Scratched in there.
It's a Gasifier dog. It's got gas, all right.
That'd be whole weeks past,
hey.
10 by 10.
Oh, lay down. What the hell did you call me over here for? Okay. Took chicken wire, cut a circle, put 2 bags of steel wool, coarse steel wool. I'm not sure if I need to spread it apart a little or how apt it should be or what. We'll try it out. I cut another piece, put it on top. This is a filter sandwich. Then I put some cheesecloth I had from when we were making maple syrup. I just put that on top to hopefully stop some of the wood chips and stuff or sawdust from falling down into my filter sandwich. I took 3/4 inch PVC, cut them a little bit shorter than this. I rolled this up, stuffed it inside so the smoke wouldn't go up through that and not through the filter. I was gonna leave them up like this and sandwich it to stop it from hacking down, but they were falling down. It was a pain in the ass. So that's where I left them. I took mechanics wire, put it through the screen, folded them over, and hopefully take this thing out, spray it, steam clean it, and hopefully be able to use it over and over. We'll see. That's going to sit on top of this cross. Okay, this all comes apart. Cross will sit on the bottom. This will sit on top, sawdust on top of this. I made this big enough so I have to squish it in there, and this should be tight around the edges. This cross is going to sit 3 inches from the bottom. Here's my inlet. So hopefully the smoke will go up to spurt through the whole filter, give it some more contact area, rather than just go through a pipe and then, which probably works fine too. We'll see. I don't know. Let me know what you think of this. If you think it'll work or a waste of my time. Okay. That fits nice and tight in there, really tight. So I'm going to fill this up with shavings. Hope this is the right stuff. And that'll sit on top of that, and I'll fill that up. I'll get right back to you. Okay, one more thing I did with the filter. I don't know about this one, but I got this stuff. I think I explained in the other video. This rod will fit right over this, nice and tight, and it's a rubber grommet in there, and I don't believe the air will suck through that, because you can tighten them up a little bit and really make it tight. And I can pack that with grease, put a grease fitting in there. This thing is going to sit right next to the outlet on top of my filter. This is the cover for the filter. I wish I had put this in the center, but and offset the outlet, but I didn't. So the whole idea about this is, I can imagine the sawdust or the shavings are going to settle, especially if it's outside, moisture and moisture from the smoke. They start to get dirty, carboned up. So that rod will go down and it's going to hit the filter sandwich down about there. Okay? And when you lift this up through them grommets, it's going to lift the filter media up and loosen it all up. You can twist it around and lift it out. Lift it up, okay? I can imagine that it's going to settle, and this should help. Okay? This piece here I made out of push rods. Out of a big block Ford I took out years ago, and I save everything, but stainless steel. Kind of looks like a chicken foot. Maybe I'll make some prints out in the snow tonight and tell my wife a big chicken was chasing me last night. But tell me what you think about this, guys, because I don't want to cut a hole in this top if it ain't going to be worth it. At least that way there, while you're running, you can do it while you're running. I know you can take it all apart and clean it, but I think it's a good idea. Let me know what you think, because that's it. I put that on there, and it's ready to go, I think. Kind of nervous about lighting it, but we'll see. Let me know what you think on this one, please. Okay?